Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boy, CryptoKeeper. We've got Crusader in the background lurking somewhere. He'll be here in just a minute, but welcome to Crypto Wars. Specifically, it's Monday, so we are here for Trading Wars. If you are new to the show, we have got, 8 people now backstage. We had 10 last week. We've got 8 people backstage that are going to be battling it out for crypto trading supremacy. AjWritesCrypto will is got immunity this week. He can win immunity again if he can take that top slot and continue being the #1 trader. But he was #1 last week. So congrats to him. And the rest of the traders are battling for that. The rules are really straightforward and simple. And actually, let me pull something up right quick. Where is this at? Right here. Here we go. Sorry, I had to pull up our sponsors. First of all, let me announce our sponsors. Thank you very much to Cipher. If you're looking to get 20% off Cipher, you're looking for a fantastic indicator, use our link down below the stream. We got tons of people on this show that use Cipher and have made lots of money using it, so check it out. And then thank you to X. They have provided all of the liquidity to the traders. So shout out to X. They've been a fantastic partner. Super excited about using them as our exchange. So thanks to them. All right, so the rules. The traders can trade anything they want to trade on the exchange. Any amount of leverage that the exchange will allow them to, they can just get after it. But what do they want to do? They want to survive. They don't just want to be #1. Obviously, everybody wants to be #1, but they need to survive because we're kicking 2 people each week. Now, the last 2 people, the bottom 2 people today, one of those the audience will get to save. So audience, stick around because you might need to vote to save your person. The person that does not get saved will go into the person that does get saved is going to go into a 1v1. Those are on Thursday. Shout out to Crypto Crow. Crypto Crow beat Magic Internet Money on a 1v1 on Thursday. So Crow will advance to this Thursday against the person that gets saved by the audience today. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let me bring up the traders, and the traders can go ahead and trade. If they are not already, they can actively be trading. Let's pull them up. The man, the myth, the legend, Army Piper Academy. What's up, brother?
What's up, man? How you doing, brother?
Glad that you are here as always. Got the studio looking all shiny and beautiful. Jenna X, what's going on?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thanks,
Jenna was the only person to win on the hot seat last week. So real quick, the hot seat this week, ladies and gentlemen, just as a shout out, if they go onto the hot seat and they execute a winning trade, they have to actually pass a 2% negative onto somebody else in the crew. So we're passing a little, we're sanding off some edges here. We're making you pass that along. We have got the winner last week, has immunity this week, but says that he's going to trade like a savage today. As always, AjWritesCrypto. What's up, Alex?
What's going on, Keeper? Thank you so much for having me back. And yeah, man, let's keep going, man. Let's keep going.
Glad that you are here. I got Army pulling up the otter.
Oh, the Otter's in the chat. You're all around, man. We're doing all right.
Yes, sir. And then, as always, my boy Crypto Blood. What's up?
Looks
Blood?
like I don't know why I'm stuck, but we'll try to figure that out.
Blood is stuck. If you're just gonna stay stuck all day.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It's just a beautiful shot of you, bro.
That's my poker face right there, baby.
That is a hell of a poker face, no doubt. If you want me to pull you off screen and you want to mess with it,
I'll work with it.
Okay, all right, cool. Who else we got hiding back there? We got Evan Aldo in the house, the trigger man himself. What's up, Evan?
What is up? I'm already in a trade, but we'll see what happens here.
Fantastic.
Interesting position in the market right now.
We'll get into that, and then let's see who else we got back here. We got the man, Crypto Face himself. What's up, Face?
Yo.
And then last but not least, flopping and groping.
Yo, can you guys hear me?
On, brother? Yeah, we hear you for sure.
All right. Nice. All right.
I hear you.
And let's see, is my partner in crime? Hold on a second. We got one more person. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. AjWritesCrypto. What's up, AJ?
I made it. Can you hear me?
I can. Thank you for being here.
Sorry,
I know you got a flight to get to
that
as
hair
well.
Evan almost eliminated you, bro. He almost backstabbed you.
That's right. Evan said he thought if somebody was more than 5 minutes late, we should just lop their head off. So that's your boy.
Well, I can go.
Well, I was kind of joking.
All good.
Out on. All right, I hear it. I hear it.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's rock.
Let me just double
Let's go.
quick. Crusader, you in here? Or I need to pull you backstage. Can you hear me? All right, I'm gonna hide him backstage.
Hi.
So
look at you hiding people backstage. Look at you using this technology, bro. I'm proud of you.
I know. Thank you. Trust me, it's taken a lot of work, and we just switched over to a new streaming platform too. So
What streaming platform?
Well, we couldn't get 12 people on stream with anything other than StreamYard. And so we moved over there, and we like it. It's been cool, but we need a whole bunch of tech. So if anybody on the stream knows, we need some technical assistance in putting together a whole bunch of different scenes. It's a whole thing, but there's a lot that goes into that because we've got some really cool transitions and stuff that we want to be able to do. But it's tough when we have a ton of people on stream. You have to set up like all these individual. I don't know. Crusader knows how to do it. I don't. But all right, so. Let's kick it off. Let's talk about it. I need to check real quick. P&Ls for everybody that's questioning what's going on. You're back to zero effectively. We're doing P&L every single week, so you got to trade like your life depends on it every single week. So what I do need to check on it, AJ, what is your number? What was your starting number?
I'm at 1001.73. Proud.
Round of applause.
Hell yeah.
Profit.
Round of applause.
Hey, in profit.
Sure.
I
For sure.
traded in profit last week. What can I say?
Not profit.
And
What
then
can I
flopping
say
and
right
groping.
now?
Crushed it.
Flopping and groping. What's
up,
your
man?
number? What's your starting number?
I started at 980 today. I lost $20 last week. I was playing it too safe, man.
Okay.
I should just be the flop and groper. I gotta just be myself, man.
Just
I'll
be
do better.
yourself.
Just be you.
That's right. Just be you. All right. So everybody actively trading, get after it. Any sort of leverage you want. We do have the hot seat going on twice, as you guys probably heard me say before. If you win or you execute positively on a trade for the hot seat today, you're going to actually have to give a 2% loss to somebody else. You can't give it to somebody that's already in the hot seat. And this is the caveat. You cannot then return the favor to the same person that gave it to you if you get on the hot seat afterwards. So we're going to pass some love around the stream today. We're going to try to even the playing field and make everybody feel like they have to trade like their life depends on it. So let's get into it. Evan, Triggerman, you said you had a trade open. What are you doing? What do you got going on?
Let me share the trade with you guys. Let's see.
Share with me. Let's see it.
As you can see, small short right now on Bitcoin. We're in an interesting area, and I want to show you. Let me just share the chart too, to show you what I'm like kind of looking at on Bitcoin right now. And we're kind of ranging, in this area on the 1 minute a little bit. When I zoom out, I'll do like when I zoom out, I see a yellow X in the 20 hour for the first time in a long time. And I mean, right there, they usually do. I know this was kind of a buy signal, but they usually do bring you down a good amount if you look historically out of a lot of these. And they don't play around too much. Like
that's on a daily?
Yeah.
Okay.
20 hour. We're not seeing it on the daily just yet, but I believe we will pretty soon. Let me switch the logarithm and clean this up a little bit. But yeah, I mean, ultimately, in the money flow on the 12-hour, like macro, I don't know, it's hard to say whether it's going to play out in the next hour or so, but macro does kind of look like we'll come down to like 38.5K. And I think I saw Jim Cramer tweet this morning that Bitcoin doesn't have a chance right here. So,
hold on a second. What did he say? What did he say? He said what?
It doesn't have a chance to like hold these areas or whatever.
Oh shit!
Well, I don't know. Take that as you will. I mean,
he called this top, bro. Jim Cramer called the fucking top on Bitcoin so far. So,
but yeah, I don't know. You get some yellow X's here. Money flow's coming up. I mean, it's a little bit tough to say right now. I would guess on the macro that you eventually probably will come down and at least test 39. But in the next hour or two, it's tough to say.
Okay. All right. So you are longing Bitcoin right now.
Shorting
Bitcoin.
Yeah, I'm hoping we break downward.
What kind of leverage you toss on?
I'm on 10x. Nothing too crazy. Just
10X,
I'm up $12 right now. I'm up $12. So
I got into a 15x short on Bitcoin, and I'm kind of slapping myself. I'm positive. Let's see here. I'm up 46%. However, I apparently didn't throttle the monies enough because I'm only up like $76. Definitely should have put more money into that trade. Although if I was getting my ass handed to me, I probably would say, "Oh man, I should have just put less money in."
Of course.
Who else is actively in a trade right now?
Well, you know I am, baby.
Oh, Blood's in 46 trades.
46 trades.
46 trades.
Since Evan started talking, I've entered 5,000 trades and exited all of them already. No, I am in 5 trades.
Bro, look at that.
For you.
Yeah. I'm in 5 trades.
Okay.
One long on TRX, but all the rest are short.
Uh-huh.
I am short Bitcoin Cash.
Solana short looks
Bitcoin.
good.
Solana short is doing very well right now, and XRP. So we are up about $30, $32 at the moment.
I love it. I love it. Jumping in, getting after it. Congrats, Blood. Keep killing it, brother. Who else is trading right now, and what are we looking at? Jenna, I see your hand raised.
I am so trading right now. All right, let me pull mine up. I am right now shorting SUI and Optimus.
You are shorting, what'd you say?
Optimus
Okay.
and SUI. And
Okay.
I'm up about, let's see, it's $15 in the Optimus trade and $5 in SUI short.
Do you have particular numbers that you're looking at, Jenna, on those shorts? Or are you just kind of feeling it out in terms of what you're looking to make? What are you doing there?
Here, hang on. Let me pull up my trading view real quick for you.
Okay.
And I will show you.
Yeah.
Share.
Show me the money.
Okay. Do I have an exact? No, but on my trading view on the 7-minute, like with Optimus, it looks mucho weak. And I actually got a bearish divvy on the 5-minute. So I decided to take that trade at, I think, $3.01. So I'm like, yeah, that looks weak. So I'm just kind of watching that. I mean, it came down to 294 before, so we're going to see if it does that again, makes a double bottom. We shall see, but it's looking super weak. And SUI, I just have to really keep an eye on because it is bullish right now on the smaller time frame. So I'm just trying to scalp a little bit on the 3 minutes. So,
okay. Fantastic. Thank you for laying it out for us. Who else is trading right now?
I'm in an ETH long actually, and I do have a bearish slant, like just kind of like Evan Aldo's, but
okay.
I noticed we were under the VWAP on ETH, and I saw like some bull divs and stuff, and I just feel like for the time duration of this like tournament we're doing, like it might come up to the VWAP and then probably see resistance there.
Okay.
So I'm kind of just doing like a humble little ETH long here just to see if it plays out. But
I second that. I'm doing the same thing. I'm in the red right now, but I don't know. I might just start shorting on this show. Like when this show, so I'm just gonna start fucking short.
Solana short. Solana.
This show is the short indicator.
Yeah, my Solana short. I'm up 78% on that one.
Congrats on those shorts, man.
You're up 78% on it right now.
Yeah,
I love it.
Good stuff, man.
I'm up 48% on my trade right now. I think, the market. Let me ask this. So, Blood,
definitely, yeah,
Well, I'm just going to ask you because you're doing so well. Was there something in particular on that trade, or you were just looking at the market as a whole and saw
using my indicators, the Blood Analytics indicators, and I mean, thank God today we were able to start the show where I could get in at a good position. Yeah. So I was able to get in that
timing
Solana
worked out
trade.
well.
Timing worked out well on this one. I was already short on that trade, but I was able to get in at a good entry point for that.
Okay. I like it. So for those of you trying to join the competition, you do not have to trade against the traders. You guys are going to trade against each other. The top 3 are going to be winning some money. That number gets larger and larger as more and more people trade. So use our link. I've got that pinned in the chat and down below the stream as well. Again, shout out to LevX for providing all the liquidity.
Yeah,
what'd you say, Alex?
Bitcoin's gone.
Oh, yeah. I'm making money hand over fist right now, baby. Let's go.
I'm back above 1,000. Just like that. Let's go.
Just like that.
Oh, yeah. I just hit first take profit on my Bitcoin. I just made $30.
Nice,
man.
So I'm just throwing in a towel. I'm done. No,
I'm done.
It is. You're gonna survive if you do that.
It's
probably most likely,
You just might, yeah.
Bounce.
You might survive, but Evan, here's the deal, right? With somebody's getting put on the hot seat. 4 people are going to be put on the hot seat, and you got to pass 2% off on, toss that loss on somebody else. So you could sit still and say, I'm going to sit with $30. And then somebody says, hey, Evan, remember how you haven't been trading today? I got a little present for you.
Nobody do that to me.
We're getting savage. We're getting savage with it. This is crypto wars, right? There's a reason I'm wearing a vest. I'm prepared.
I'm in 3 trades right now.
All right, Army, what you got going on, brother? Let me see.
I'm in a ADA trade, a
Okay.
Solana trade, and an XRP trade.
Okay.
And,
ADA, Solana, and XRP.
Yep.
And they're looking good. They're in the green so far.
So
I
far.
just picked up another short BNB. I just went short on BNB, so I got 6 trades open now.
6 trades open. Blood, when you trade multiple positions like that, are you hedging any of those kind of like Forrest does, or you're just looking at them individually, each trade by itself?
Yeah, individually. Okay. Yeah. But I like when they all line, like, you know, you have maybe 6 out of 8 trades in one direction. That's a pretty good indicator for me.
Yeah.
Sentiment wise, just on the short time frame though, but nothing long term.
Yeah, Bitcoin is taking a dump right now, huh? What are we down at? 40,200 ish.
Yeah.
So what do we think about trading Bitcoin on this show with the idea that you're trying to win immunity? This got brought up earlier, right? You're trying to win immunity, you're trying to be number 1, but you're also trying to just it's like do you want to go ham and get that immunity every week, or do you want to try to sit in the middle and risk somebody else handing off some percentage losses to you? Whatever. Is Bitcoin the right way to go, or do you guys think the trading alts is a better opportunity for a show like this, where we're trying to make it a game show, we're trying to throw curveballs in, make this different than just a regular trading competition? Does Bitcoin make sense or not for most of you?
I think altcoins probably. I mean, we did kind of it. The time goes by pretty quick. And you know, normally when we kind of get in the show, it's, you know, kind of the end of the American market. But yeah,
this is better than the 3 o'clock time frame we used to have, right?
Yeah, definitely.
I thought it was Tuesday today.
I would like to add that, like, we're trading for the wrong reasons here, right? Like, I'm trading so like I look like a Giga Chad in front of my brother. And where's Crow? Is Crow in here today?
Crow actually is in the redemption bracket. He won against Magic 1v1. Yeah, but he's gonna have to play his way through the 1v1s to see if he can come back and you know, make it all the way through.
Man, he's in the trench.
And he won.
He got put in the gladiator.
He did. He beat Magic.
He beat Magic.
You're
Magic.
Man.
You know what?
Bro,
Magic.
You're a Giga Chad in my heart.
Magic had a broke his own rules for one, but he had a Bitcoin trade that kind of started to go against him. But he averaged into an already losing position, and as he did it, he said, "Hey, I'm actively doing something I would never ever do for anything other than a competition like this." He was breaking his own rules, and
wow, we just bounced off of my trend line at
hard.
Yeah,
$40,000 now. I was down like $50-$60, so now I'm down 5. So hopefully this fucking
that was a really
how
good
you doing,
win.
brethren?
That
was a great win for me. That win for me kind of tells me that we are going to come up to like the VWAP. So I'm really hoping this trade comes back, man, because it was kind of high lev, and I'm flopping and groping right now.
I'm flopping and groping too, bro. I'm flopping.
Damn.
Okay. Damn, I'm down $1.50. Come on, baby.
All right.
Well, how some of these shorts doing? I want to hear about shorts doing
how
now.
you all doing?
Woo! Look at
I just made a quick 100 and change.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Alex.
Let's
Crypto.
go.
Alex, what'd you make 100 and change on?
Oh, I just crushed SEI on the bull div, man. Just crushed it.
Man, what are these S tokens you guys be trading?
We just made some bank.
Damn, Alex on crypto.
Hell yeah, Alex has
go.
been killing it. Crypto fam in the chat, smash those likes if you have
bull divs all over that. It's written.
Smash those likes in the chat, fam, if you haven't already. Make sure you follow all of the creators on here. We've got all of their information listed down below the video. So if you're not following them already, fix it. You've got a problem. They're on here for a reason. Make sure you're following all of them.
Alex, so crypto, man, walk us through that trade, bro. Pull that up, man. Let's see that. Let's see what you were doing here on this.
Okay.
If you're going to twist his arm, I like it. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
And there it is.
Crypto
Market Cipher doesn't lie. Like it's everybody's bearish right now. We have consolidation. We think we're all going down. And yes, Bitcoin did roll over, but these are holding key levels, and it's just like very clear continuation. Money flow's gotten thinner here, so it's consolidating sideways here. So for me, I'm in the 12-minute, then I go into the 7-minute. I'm looking for that swing failure pattern. Very simple Fibonacci golden pocket 786. We're looking for that. We jump in and bada bang.
Alex,
that was it. And looking to come back up to the VWAP. Like we have this downtrend here. I don't think it's going to give up on us just yet. I do think just for Bitcoin, yeah, we've had this big drop here, and that's great. But I don't think it's losing this trend line just yet. I'm not convinced. So with that, I pull the fibs, see the consolidation, wait for the little dip of the toes as we talk about. 786 continuation, market cipher. It's all good. And that was it, man.
Man, you really know you really use market cipher. You have a very good understanding. From what I've seen, I watch your channel a little bit, and you kind of keep it simple. That's like a kind of like the mantra I super believe in. You know what I'm saying? You keep it simple. You stick to the charts.
Yeah,
you kind of know what you're doing. So
it's easy to
you're
teach.
A nice
too,
guy. And you might be a little funny, a Canadian and stuff. But when it comes down to executing trades, I've only seen
Canadian.
Just bang, bang, bang.
Even
though you're Canadian, you're okay in my book.
Sorry,
and it's Canadian too.
Sorry.
Canadian, eh?
Canadian, eh?
All right, Crusader. Glad that you are here, brother. Are you winning any trades back there, Crusader?
I jumped out of my Solana short that I was telling you about, dude. I came back right as that bounce was happening, so that I missed out the massive wick, right? I missed out the bottom. Solana dropped all the way to $84. My take profit was at 82, so I missed it by $2. So I was able to get it back for that bounce. Got like $107 P&L for today.
Oh, I like
what,
it.
bro? Damn.
I like it. People are making some money. Hey, so listen, the hot seat's in about 3 minutes. So I want to check. I need to check in real quick.
Yeah, how much money we made?
Jenna, where are we at? What are you at?
I'm at 936.55, and what I start with like 926 or something.
Yep.
So I'm up like $10.
Let's go.
Alex, what are you at right now?
I'm at 1,213.
Ooh,
27.
Dang.
Right. Blood, what are you at, brother?
938.
Okay. Face
890.98.
Okay. Flopping and groping
976.6.
Okay. Evan,
I am out 10:05.
okay. AJ,
994.5.
damn, I'm gonna actually have to do some math on this. Army,
Man, these numbers keep changing. You know what I'm saying?
I'll
These
make it
numbers.
easy.
yeah, I know, but we got to do the check-in at some point. Army, what is it?
I'll make it easy for you. It's $700.58 because I got closed out of all 3 of my shorts.
Woo!
Let's go, Piper.
All right,
man.
So it is going to be
Piper versus who?
Army. Yeah,
Piper versus who? Exactly.
it's Army versus Face.
Oh shit!
No.
It's going to be Army versus Face. And just as a reminder, we'll spin a wheel. We'll give you the asset. We'll give you the leverage. And if you are able to win, you've got how long? What are we giving them? 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes to get in and out of a trade in the positive. If you're able to do that, you got to pass a 2% loss onto somebody else in the field. You can pick who you want, just not the other person that's in the hot seat with you.
All right. What's my asset?
All right, here we go. We're going to switch over there right now. So, Army, your asset is, drum roll, please. I'll give you guys the leverage after this. I'll spin for Face too. Oh, Army's trading ETH. All right.
Let's go.
All right. So, Army, you're trading ETH, and Face, you are trading
one of these S coins. Come on.
Right.
That's coins on fire.
Bitcoin.
Polka dot. All right. And then Army, your leverage is Army's leverage is, and if it won't allow you to go to this amount of leverage for whatever reason, go as high as you can. 22x.
He's on ETH. He's fine.
22x, you should be able to do that. And then on Polkadot, I think you should probably be able to get some decent leverage as well. Face, You have got. Ooh.
50.
If it'll let you go 50x, I don't know. But you got 10 minutes to get in and out. So 50x on DOT and a 22x on ETH is what we're looking at right now.
Does everybody know the risk versus reward here for this hot seat? Did you tell everybody, Nick?
Yes, I did tell them. I did tell them.
So the audience?
Glad I didn't get out any of my positions, man. The market sure tries to shake.
All right.
your ass
Oh my
out,
god. Oh
that's
my
for sure.
god. Okay. I'm in 50x. All right.
Face put in a $2.58
Right.
position.
Right.
At 50,
At 50,
but it's fine. Listen, it doesn't matter because ultimately what you're
But
trying
it
to do.
should, bro. That's
What?
the thing. It should matter though.
But the issue
Yo, bro,
is
you know I ain't no pussy, bro. You know
we're zeroing out every single week so that everybody has to continue to press and survive. So
No, I'm saying the hot seat part, it should matter. Like, because leverage doesn't mean anything if the margin is 2 pennies.
If the margin is the margin so small, but it does because if they still have to win the trade, right? Or they're getting they're losing that plus the 2%. But I get it.
All right, I'm in this. Salute. I support all.
All right. So remember, face and army. You guys can exit out of that position whenever you want. So if you go to the positive and you can get out and obviously cover your fees, then boom, you've executed a positive trade.
Fuck, it's only 10 minutes.
Share that screen.
Damn.
Share that screen. I see you thinking back there.
Are we still an hour and a half? Or are we an hour?
Yeah, hour
and a half. Okay, cool.
Yeah. Army, how's
Yes.
it looking? How's it looking?
I'm up 0.5% right now.
Up 0.5% right now. All right. Now you gotta figure out. Is that? But
do you get up?
Yeah. But the question is, does that show you? Actually, maybe one of you guys can tell me. Crusader. Oh, did I just pull up somebody else's? I didn't mean to do that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Sorry. There we go. When it shows you on where Army just had it pulled up and it's showing you your position. When I go over onto my position and it shows me my realized versus my unrealized, if in the realized it's in the negative, is that assuming the fee and giving, like, do you know at that point or no?
Yeah, realized when it's realized, then that includes the fees.
Then that's included. Yeah. So if you exit out and it says realized $2.13 to the negative,
then,
that means the
covered
fees.
Your fees.
But what I'm saying is, then you're still exiting out of the trade at that point in the negative.
Unrealized does not count your fees, so you can be.
But the realized does.
Unrealized, then you exit that shit.
Okay,
and then
that's
you don't know until it's.
But when you enter a trade on Levex, it shows you your realized. Basically, that's your fee getting in. So that realized column, when you enter a trade, will show a negative number.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think that's round trip.
That's what I was asking.
Round trip. It's not round trip.
It's not round trip.
Okay. I'm getting a big bounce here.
All right.
I know this is bullshit, man.
Blood is that? You got some trades? We got some trades going against you, bro.
I'm still up on my Bitcoin Solana, and I was long TRX, but as you guys see, I mean, I was up almost 70% on my Solana, and it's going the opposite way. So I might have to close out. We'll see. I'm just gonna let the system trade, man.
Let the system do its thing, and then you'll kick back, smoke a cigar, and watch.
There you go.
You're onto something with Solana, though, man. That volatility is crazy. It was what is it, like minus 8% or something?
Yeah,
Solana's been all over the place for sure.
It's been chopping all day. I've been holding a short on Solana. I've been holding a short for Solana since like 11 in the morning. It's been chopping.
I want to remind everybody, $4,100 the next time we play Flip or Hodl. So if you want to get your name on the wheel, every dollar is super. Every dollar, put your name on the wheel once. 2 times that if you are a member, and 3 times that if you gift out any memberships. I got that on the top. $4,100 on the line for Friday.
What happened last week?
We had a sponsorship hiccup, so we had to move it forward to this week. Yes, sir. So nobody won because we didn't need to play.
Some Joe Biden Dominion poll going on right there. I don't know what y'all doing, man.
Yes, sir.
You know I'm playing with your keeper.
No, I know. But sign up to LevX, guys. It's up to a $5,000 bonus. We got the link in the description. If you're looking for a reason to sign up and have some fun, there it is. So check it out. And then also Market Cipher, we got 20% off in the description. Make sure to check that out
Just
as well.
a disclaimer, man. Like for all of us traders here, everyone watching, like this is some very unrealistic term pretenses we're under with this trading for an hour and a half.
This is some
we always tell people that we're forcing you guys to
just,
trade, right? Like the reality is this is a game show. We understand, and I do want to remind people. So thank you, Blood, for that's a great transition. We do want to remind everybody we are forcing traders into a corner and saying, "Hey, trade for your life." This is not how they would normally trade. We're also throwing in a wheel where we're tossing leverage at them, and they don't even get to pick their assets. So, guys, this is for fun. These traders are coming on here for your entertainment purposes. So, thank you.
You're welcome.
We also have to take your rules seriously. Like if we are flopping, groping intentionally too hard, like I think LevX has something in their rules saying like you can't use the exchange to do wrong. So like as much as I want to just flop and grope and piss away the $1,000 in one trade, like and keep it lighthearted. Like I don't want to make the exchange look bad, or if someone's copy trading, I don't want to get them wrecked. So yeah, it's like we're keeping it lighthearted, but we're recognizing that we are trading for the wrong reasons. We're trading to look cool, to look popular, and because we're insane. So
and have some fun and get some bragging rights. Right? Face had the season 1 bragging rights.
There's no reason why Crow should have beat Magic. I'm just saying.
Oh, damn. Crow is in the chat, bro. He's gonna,
Bro, I love you.
I'm going inverse Crow.
I love you, bro.
I've been inverse Crow all day.
Crow.
My boy Crow is in the chat. Crow wants to know who is coming to face off with him in the losers bracket, as he's calling it. It's the redemption bracket, ladies and gentlemen. There's no losers here.
That's very woke.
Redemption bracket.
That's very woke.
That's very woke.
Not a master bedroom.
I wouldn't mind
primary
the wild.
Oh yeah, that's right. Primary bedroom. That's right.
Let me get my eyeballs for you here.
Oh yeah, Army's got a great little setup for this. I see woke people.
I love it, Piper. I love it.
Oh, that's fantastic. All right, so let's check in on everybody's trades. It is let's see, where are we at?
Crow said, I didn't beat Magic. He beat himself. Round of applause for that. I love it.
It's 2:07. You guys got 3 minutes on those trades. Unless you've already exited out, then let me know. Army, how are you doing?
I'm up $5.06. I'm up 5% right now.
But are you?
Let's go.
Are you gonna wait or are you gonna exit?
I think we got a little bit more downside here on this bounce. So if I take a look over here, we got a nice rejection off that
2 minutes
off that golden pocket there. We also have broken down below the point of control here. We're heading back down to the value area low down here on this fixed range volume profile, in my opinion. So
2 minutes. Face, how's the trade looking for you?
I'm gonna need to milk this 2 minutes here.
Okay.
How do share?
Click the link.
Click the
link.
Is that it? Click the fucking
You've been waiting all stream to say
share the link. It's share the link.
Share the link.
Timer here. I'm right there, and I mean this is $1,000 trade. You know what I'm saying?
Oh damn. Okay. Right.
So, well, yeah, it's 50x.
Well, with 50x,
like 10%, so hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully, I can pull something. I'm gonna need like a countdown. When does what time? How much longer?
We got 1 minute left, good sir. You have 1 minute at 10 after 2, which I think your time might be 10 after noon. I think
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
I'm gonna need a countdown.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give you a countdown right now. Hold on.
6446.
All right. You've got 30 seconds.
All right.
29, 28.
Let's go.
26. And I'm actually giving you an extra 20 seconds with that. I just figured out, but it's okay. 20, 19, 18. 17,
no pressure.
16, 15.
Oh, come on, baby.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and close.
Shit, I don't know what I made.
Well, you should be able to go back and look at it.
I don't know. I think I lost a couple bucks, so I lose.
Ooh. Dude, that's so tough
Man,
though.
look
And
what you made him do.
at 50x. Okay, so let me check in. So Face, can you double check to see if you were
Army came out positive.
Oh, Army.
There you go. Good job, Army.
Holy,
Let me see.
Piper's
So-
killing it.
So hold on a second. Let's check. So Face, did you end up a little bit in the negative? I just need to make a little note.
Like barely.
Like barely.
Negative.
All right. So dude, that's tough. On 50x. Hell yeah, that's tough. All right. And then Army, you were in a, what was it, a 22x on
22x. Yep.
on ETH, and
Yep.
you were able to, you won on that trade, yes?
Yes.
All right, so walk me through it. You went long or short?
I went short on Ethereum.
Okay. You went short
And
on
then-
ETH. Okay.
Yeah, and then I ended up it pumped up a little bit. So what I did here, let me go to my chart. I got into a short up here off of the 0.66. I had a little alert set there. It triggered on me. I got into a short. It came down. It bounced back up. I added to the position on the retest again, and then doubled into my entry on the way down. Took profit 3 times on it. Those
Ballsy.
3 times. We had one at 1.98%.
Nice.
We had one at 4.78%, and then my last closeout was at 4.51%.
Wow.
So,
Congrats to you, bro. That's freaking fantastic. Good work. Good work. So here's the
Look at this
question.
guy.
Here's the question, Army. I'm not going to remind you where everybody's at right now, but you've got to pass a 2% hit onto somebody else. It can't be Face. You got to pass a 2% loss onto somebody else on the show right now. Who are you handing it to?
geez, this is rough. I'm friends with everybody on here. This is like pick which friends you want to die.
Be right back getting another coffee.
Who do you hate the most?
I don't hate anybody in this world, man. I spent enough time in combat to not hate anyone else in this world ever again.
Even Joe Biden?
I feel bad for Joe Biden. That's
Oh,
all.
you're a good man. Round of applause.
Wow.
For you.
No, he does not feel bad for me. You're right. But I don't need anyone to feel bad for me. I'm responsible for my own destiny. And right now, I'm responsible for someone else's. I'm going to have to give it to the guy who can absorb this the best. I'm sorry, Evan, but I think that you can absorb loss. Really
Evan,
Okay.
taking the 2%.
That's
All
a
right.
compliment.
Now,
it
Evan,
is a compliment.
Yeah.
that was a compliment. Just a
Evan's a
reminder,
child.
Evan, if for some reason you are in the hot seat later, you can't pass it back to Army. You got to give it to
Okay.
somebody else. Just letting you know.
Okay. Noted.
All right.
All right.
Nothing but
Keeper,
love, though. Nothing but love for you, bro.
What's up,
All
blood?
good.
I'm in 7 trades right now.
Okay. All right. And
I mean, it's going okay. It's going okay. But Bitcoin Cat, I just added a short to Doge. So I'm in a short on Doge.
okay.
Just wanted to give you an update. I'm in
Okay.
7 trades right now.
How many of those are unrealized in profit? It looks like the
All
majority.
of them are unreal. I have not touched any of them.
Yeah, but I'm saying it looks like the majority of them are unrealized in profit right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. So looking like having a successful day so far.
So far. Hey, it don't count unless you close it. So
You're damn right it doesn't. You are right about that.
Hey, I just want to say cluck to Pollo out there, man.
Crypto Pollo in the
Cluck,
chat.
cluck.
Yep,
Cluck,
cluck. Got to give him a
Cluck,
shout
cluck.
out.
Crypto chicken.
Chat, if you guys have not already smashed that like, make sure we've got around 150 people in here. Make sure you're following all of the creators on here. They are here for your entertainment, having some fun, doing some trading, doing things that they would otherwise not normally do for your entertainment. So make sure to smash that like and give them all a follow.
I cannot win a trade. I just cannot win a fucking trade on this show.
What do you mean? You won the first
last
season, bro.
What the
You won the
fuck?
first
I didn't
season.
have
What
a
are you
losing
talking
trade
about?
last season? That last time I could not lose. I went like 7 for 7 or something.
Yeah,
This
you did.
time, I'm
You
like
did. You won every
5
trade.
out of 5. Fucking fuck.
Oh man, God,
Man,
guys, look at Ethereum. I wish I would have kept that trade open.
You say you wish you would have left that trade open? Oh yeah, because
Yeah,
Bitcoin's
it went
dumping right
exactly
now.
where I
Oh,
said it was
man.
going, right down to the past the
Oh,
value
we are,
area
yeah.
low, and it is
Bitcoin's taking a
just
dump right now.
dumping.
Solana's dumping now too. Oof.
Ooh, that's your. You got a short in too, right?
Oh, I already
You're
jumped
close
out.
Oh, you
I already
jumped out.
jumped out on my.
I got so lucky. I went long on Solana, and then like 3 seconds later, I just didn't feel right, so I just closed it out. I'm so happy.
Yeah, good call.
That gut analysis there.
Hey,
Oh,
Face.
man.
If I keep the leverage the same and I use the same asset and I add to a position on LevX, is it going to actually add to that position, or is it going to open a new position?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's going to add to it. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I did on mine. I added to the position.
Yeah, it's just going to hit you with another fee, obviously, but it's going to add to that position. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. It still came out ahead. So
Yeah. Apparently, yeah, that worked out well for you for sure.
That's that risk management that Jenna was talking about.
To like flop and
Yeah.
broke, double leverage, like, and then everything's gonna start going back up again. I'm swirling. I feel like I'm like swirling right now around like in a whirlpool.
Yeah, this
I
ETH
hate
long,
that.
the ETH long went to shit for me. It's like turning around and yeah, it, like the bears looked like they were getting tired, like it needed to tap VWAP, but yeah, it's turning around on me over here too. So I'm down to $30 in this ETH trade.
I just closed an Optimus, like a quick scalp short again for $21.
Nice. $21 in
But I closed it too soon. I looked at the wrong chart and closed it too soon.
Hey, it sounds like it worked out. You're in profit. That's
Yeah,
fantastic.
it's
AJ,
fine.
you've been quiet. What's going on with you, brother?
Mm,
No.
mm.
I mean,
I,
it wasn't until just recently. I saw a
You
little
had a
bit
little
of
black,
shit.
you had a little black tang in that.
We're really jumping here.
How is it?
Yeah, how
Oh,
is it?
oh, it's still. Oh, it
Nuking right
just
now.
jumped.
Holy
Oh,
big
Oh, we're
I'm just gonna
nuking.
Oh,
We're
bullshit.
nuking, baby.
shit.
We're
Oh,
nuking.
it nuked. It
Down
nuked.
39.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, that was
Yeah,
bad.
baby, let's go.
That's
We're
what I
nuking.
get. That's what I get. That's what I
Well,
get.
Were you long?
You were in a long.
I
we're
went
gonna
long
bounce.
and it was up, and then I went searching, and then I came back, and then I was like, oh, it'll turn around. Nope.
If
Nope.
we're to
It's okay.
bounce,
I can play catch up
cool.
now, though. I can go. How long? Oh, I can go 75x long. That'd be fun.
bounce.
You've got 43
I'm done,
minutes
bro.
left on the show.
done.
Now
Alright,
I think
alright.
you have to exit out a couple minutes early, but that's how much
Yeah, I do.
time is left on the show.
Yep.
I'm
But
out
if we're
here.
gonna bounce, probably right now we're starting to come
Right
back
on that
above
40K
40K.
number.
So if we're gonna see that bounce, probably. But
I'm done.
it don't
I'm
look
out
too
here.
good
It just
overall.
keeps
good.
dumping, man. It just keeps dumping, man.
Hey, those yellow X's, man. Those yellow X's don't lie in
Oh
markets.
no.
No, they don't.
Especially on the 30-minute on ETH. Yeah.
Nick said, "Oof, broke 40K." Yeah,
We're just
definitely
little-
did. Definitely did.
Told you
Uh,
31,800.
What'd you say? 30? Oh yeah, Army. Talk to us about why you're calling for that.
Because that is going to be a key level of support on a master chart. I prefer not to have to pull it up right now because
That's
I'm
fine.
watching a trade. But
Yeah.
I have a whole chart. As a matter of fact, we talked about it on Friday's show with Alex on the show.
Yeah.
Alex and I are both 31,800 in both of our opinions, which was not coordinated at all. We both said the
Really?
same numbers. So yeah,
Yeah, randomly.
on Piper Academy on Friday. So
Like the
give it a
same
chance.
number, like legitimately the same
Legitimately
number.
Yeah.
said
3180.
I said it, and then he
31,800.
said he had already said it, and I'm like, oh, I don't know about that, and then he proved it, so it's okay.
Yep.
Round of applause to Piper.
Mark Dutch said,
Proving
"Yellow X. Damn, we should find the guy who created them." Good call, Mark Dutch.
I
I know a
created it.
guy.
Thank you.
I know a
thank
guy.
No one knows. No one knows what he looks like though, because he never shows his camera.
That's right.
Keeper, I'm pretty much wrapping up for the day, bro. I'm done. No, seriously, I'm
What?
done. I made like 100 today.
Oh, really?
I'm good.
Okay,
Yeah,
pull
I'm
it up.
done.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
So here I am. I'm at 10 31 now.
Okay.
I've been closing them out. So this is the Solana I still have open.
Okay.
$7 left on that. So I'll probably end up making around 50 on that one alone on that short. Bitcoin, I'm gonna go ahead. I've been easing out of that one as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you've been doing some small, just like partial limit orders out.
Yeah, just taking out. Getting out of here, bro.
Okay. All right.
So
you don't like the choppy waters right now. You don't want
yeah,
to
no, I mean,
all the way down.
You know, I just wanted to get back above 1,000, and now I'm good. I'm ready to roll.
Solana's dumping hard again.
I like it.
Yeah. Pigs make money. No, bears make money. Bulls make money. Pigs get slaughtered. So
pigs get slaughtered.
Yeah,
that's right.
I'm out.
That's right.
Yeah, boy.
Done.
All right, so Blood has been successful on the day, been killing it. Congrats to you, Blood, on that. Now, Blood, the question is, Alex, what's that?
When's the next hot seat?
The next hot seat is in 10 minutes. And, maybe somebody is not going to like you telling everybody that you're just going to chill at this point, Blood. And they might start firing. I'm just throwing out there. All right. I'm just saying. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what people are going to do.
That's all right.
Just throwing it out there.
I'll take a 2% on that. That's what, $20. I'll still be above.
Let's go around the horn right now. Alex, you're positive on the day, right? I just want to know positive or negative on the day so far.
Yeah, positive.
Positive. Blood, you're positive. Evan, positive or negative?
Positive, yeah. Positive.
Positive. Face.
Crickets.
He didn't make it. He got liquidated.
I think I've heard him bitching a little bit today, so maybe he's getting eaten up a little bit. Flopping and groping. You positive or negative today so far?
Oh, I'm definitely negative, man. Not
Definitely
that
negative.
much. I'm at 950 now,
Okay.
so it's not cataclysmic.
Okay. Yeah.
But
Right.
it stings a little, man. My ego's hurt, and I'm definitely feeling like a shrimp right now, bro. Like deep down.
AJ, I hate to ask because of how you responded last time, but how we feeling?
Oh yeah, I'm positive. I'm positive on the inside.
Right.
On the inside. There you go. In my soul.
Round of applause for that.
Inside, I feel good. I do like that. I do like that I'm at a point in my life where I was like, oh, just 75x. This is gonna be great. And so hold on. So I revenge traded. Hold on, I revenge traded, right? So I was.
Oh, you revenge traded yourself.
Hold on.
Yes.
I revenge traded. Hold on, I'll tell you what happened. I was down. I lost 369.
Pull up your screen.
All right, fine. But I lost 369 on a trade. Hold on, I'll show you.
Damn.
369.
We're still dumping.
Yeah, I lost 369 on a trade, and then on this trade here it says minus $6.11 above that.
Okay.
When I closed out, it said like I was expected to win 160 on the trade because I just marketed it because I was really high leverage, so I was trying to get out. And it's like you're going to win 170. I click close, and then I came to this, and it says down $6. So I don't know how that happened because that was really high leverage. I think it was like 57x right there.
No,
and I thought I was winning the trade, and I closed it, and then it was like, oh, you're down. So now I'm just like,
the fee wouldn't be that. The fee wouldn't be
I
that.
The slip
I don't know.
been that much either.
It might have because I didn't do limit, it might have changed in a half a second kind of thing, but that's possible. It's why you should do limit and not market. But I was just trying to get out.
Just trying to exit.
Yeah, but it's no big deal. I mean, I still have $543. I can revenge trade that, no problem. We're good.
I can revenge trade that. I can do exactly what I tell people not to do, for sure.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Right. Exactly. I think I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to do it right now. I have 75x long. I'm going to go it never lets you do when you click 100%. It never actually lets you do that. You have to lower the quantity to if it says 445, you go to 435 or something.
Yeah. You need room for your liquidation.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. And then, I guess, I want to, since my brain wants to go short, I probably should just go long. And I think that makes sense. I think I want to catch this falling knife. I'm going to catch this falling knife right here. Right.
It's a Damascus falling knife. So be careful.
This is
AJ. Go out with me,
man. Bear.
So, Army, are you overall positive or negative on the day?
I'm overall negative on the day.
Okay.
By a little bit, by a small fraction.
And Jenna?
$20.
I'm positive I'm up $20
Okay.
so far.
She's got my other. She got the 20. I'm down. So
I took
She
it.
Stole the 20. That's right. Well, I mean, Army, you handed off 2% to Evan, and Evan said, "I'm still positive." So he's
Exactly.
Oh, wait, oh shoot, that's an. Oh wait, how much does that? I forgot about that.
Crypto
I'm at 1010 right now, and I started at what did I start at?
Well, you started at 10,000 or 10,000. No, 1,000. Or I mean, you started at 977.
That's right. Yeah.
And you're at what?
Oh
I'm
my
at
God, I missed
1010.
the order.
You're at 1010.
Yeah.
Hurry up, AJ. We're getting that bounce, bro.
What, is it
Go,
2% from
It wouldn't-
1,000?
It didn't let me.
Yeah,
in.
so 2%. Yeah, 2% off of 1010, so it's $20.
Oh shoot. Okay, so I'm at 990, but I'm still ahead on the day.
But you're still ahead on the day. Yeah. Nope.
That's not bad.
exactly why I gave it to Evan, because I knew that he could absorb the loss.
We talked about
Right.
we talked about making it a little more consequential, but then we realized like Alex won last week and won immunity with like 6.5 or 7%, something of that, in that number, in that range for the entire show. And we're like, you know what? We can't put it at 5 or 10% and literally nuke someone off of just one. You know what I'm saying? We wanted to make it a little bit more.
All right, I'm back. Sorry, I had to step away for a sec.
Just drone strike. You don't
Hopefully
have to nuke them. Just a couple drone strikes.
That's
all.
right. That's
Little
right.
hellfire
So is
missile
there?
action.
Let me ask you something, Keeper and Crusader.
Yes, sir.
Is there
Yes.
any award for a person with the highest balance at the end?
Of the
Yes,
day?
you get to keep it.
Are you talking about the end of the day, or the end of the competition?
No, end of the season. End of the
Oh
season.
yeah, well, whatever you take home whatever you want for what you made a profit. And is there a reward? Is LevX giving a reward to the top trader? I don't know.
I don't think so. I think it's just the people.
I don't know. I didn't get no award from season 1. I didn't get shit. So fuck. You win.
Face rewards are for people that don't have $2 million profit trades.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah, you better start changing those thumbnails if you want to start
We
bitching
gotta
about
redistribute
losing
the
a little
wealth
bit.
here. We gotta take from the rich and give to the poor.
No, it's take from the rich and give to the richer.
Giving to the poor. I exited my ETH trade. I couldn't take it anymore.
Oh shoot! All right, so we got 3 minutes until the next
We got
hot
2
seat.
minutes
By the
before.
way, so we need to check in. Jenna, what's your number? Actually, let me go the opposite way this time because I
okay.
checked with you
All right,
first.
all
So
right.
Army, what's your number?
679.
Okay, AJ.
I'm in a trade right now,
Yeah,
and
but
it's
what's your
at,
number
I'm
off the
up
record?
$150. Okay, it's at 675.
675. Okay. All right, Evan.
I am at 1012.
10, 12. Okay, you got the 2%. Okay. Nick. Flopping and groping. Sorry.
I'm at 945. Wait, what was the question? The total or
Yeah, just what your total is right now. Yeah.
945.
Okay, cool. Face.
I'm at 823.34.
Okay.
Am
Blood?
I able to go back on the hot seat? Is
No.
it like
No, you can't go on there twice.
all right, good.
Blood.
We're safe. Face.
1031.26.
Okay. Alex.
1177.
Okay.
Damn.
And Jenna.
946.44.
All right. So it looks like the hot seat this time is going to be AJ and flopping and groping.
All right, let's
All right,
go.
let me get out of this
Go.
trade. Hold on, hold on.
AJ, how are you in the hot seat, bro? Aren't you up 150 on your trade?
Well, on this trade, yeah, but I hold on.
But he got,
83, I gotta get out of it.
Beginning, though.
I gotta get out. Hold on, I'm up 150, but I gotta get out. But I want to limit out. I don't want to market out because last time I marketed out, it bit me. 83.90. Hold
Flopping
on.
and groping. Here's
Wait,
your.
do I have to exit my trades or?
Well, I
what
was
am
trying
I-
to show it. Crusader took it down.
No, you don't have to exit any of your trades. He's just doing that because
I probably should exit my trades, but I was, I'll stay in them.
that's up to you.
You're just dumping.
Crusader stealing taking my wheel off the stream. I was midstream, mid spin, and you just stole it. All right.
Okay, I made
All right, what are we trading?
135 on that one. I'm back in the game. I'm back
in the game. All right. So
Yeah.
flopping and groping. Here's your asset, and then we'll go with AJ's after that. Flopping and groping, flopping and groping, flopping and groping. SEI. SEI. All right. And then AJ, yours is, and I'll give you the leverage in just a second. AJ, yours is.
Give me Cardano. All right. I like Arbitrum. Arbitram's good. Arbitram's good.
Nope. Adam.
No, Arbitrum sounds great. Arbitrum.
Adam.
All right. Arbitrum. All right. Love it.
Now.
Adam has no volume on this site, though. That's why I wanted Arbitrum.
Flopping and groping. Your leverage. And if you can't get as high, just go as high as you can if it doesn't hit this number.
15x. All right. That's modest.
15x. And then AJ, yours is.
Got the 200x coming. Here we go.
200x. 12.
12. All right.
All right. So no crazy X's this time. We all probably know about crazy X's, or we were the crazy X. I don't know.
Oh, I got a crazy
Depends
X.
on who you ask. Depends on who you ask. All right. So we have got 30 minutes left in the show, 10 minutes on the hot seat. We got flopping and groping on the hot seat with a 15x on SEI.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got AJ with a 12x on Cosmos. That is what it was, right? It was Cosmos, right? Yeah.
Adam.
I'm joining the short bus.
Joining
the short bus. All in. Short bus.
Let's go.
I mean, people were talking about the inverse keeper, but if I pull up what I'm doing right now, I'm making money. So it's
every dog has
I didn't see you shorting at 49, bro.
What are you talking about?
I saw you started to short at 41.
I was shorting at 42. At 42.
Call him out, Crusader. Get him. Get him.
But to be clear, it still hasn't hit that 50K, and I was the one that called for this to dump, and you said, "No, we're going to Kingdom Come from the start. We're never coming back."
Clock was right 2 times a day.
Well, you haven't been right about that damn ETF. I can tell you that much.
Yeah, a long way to the happening, bro. Yeah, a long way. But
I still might lose my bet, but
then why you give me shit then?
What's the bet?
It's a good bet.
I have a 1 Ethereum bet with Believes that came about on one of Ben's shows a while ago that Bitcoin wouldn't hit 50K before the halving. I bet that it would not hit 50K before the halving. He bet that it would. It's a 1 Ethereum bet. So that's the bet.
Ooh.
That's the best bet.
Well,
I joined the short bus at just the best fucking time.
Right on the bounce.
Well, if we hit
Nah,
that
we're still
$31,800 Bitcoin, your 1 Ethereum should be pretty cheap. So,
Yeah, right. Crypto fam, if you haven't already smashed the likes, smash those likes. Make sure you're following all the creators on here. They are on here for your entertainment only. And also, obviously, on their respective shows are obviously putting out that alpha day in and day out. So we appreciate everybody for being here. We've got 2 people in the hot seat right now. Your boy AjWritesCrypto and your boy Flopping and Groping. So let me check in right quick with the hot seat, gentlemen. How are we feeling? What's the trade looking like? You've got 7 minutes to get out of this trade profitably. Have either of you exited the trade?
I'm up $8.
Are you think you could exit right now and be profitable?
Meh, I'm gonna ride it out.
Oh, okay. He's feeling it. He's feeling it. AJ's feeling it. All right, flopping and groping.
I'm gonna ride mine out too, but this one's not going too hot either. So yeah.
All right. Well, you're gonna need to ride it out if it's going against you right now.
it's now AJ Rides Crypto. So
AJ Rides. That's right. Crow said, "Come on, hot seat. I'm ready to eat your lunch." Crow's watching, saying,
Crow's on the sidelines.
Yeah, he's like, I know. I feel bad that he's not in here. We love Crow.
I know,
Crow's,
man. He should bring his ass in.
Crow.
I'll be seeing you on Thursday, probably.
Profitable trades. He made 2 profitable trades today.
There we go.
Nice.
Yeah,
he's the Crow.
I've been waiting for my signals.
and beat Magic the other day. So
If only he could do it on the show.
Mark Dutch says Jenna is the only one without facial hair. Just saying.
I shaved.
Funny how that works out.
I don't have a beard.
It's called testosterone, ladies and gentlemen.
Most of you guys shouldn't have a beard.
I've been thinking
I've
of
seen more
shaving
hair on
mine.
a piece of bacon.
You guys got to
most
get
of you
yourselves
guys
together.
shouldn't.
You guys got to
have.
clean up and get your act together, man.
That's funny.
Hey, to be fair,
Yeah,
I
you
went
got
22 years of having to shave daily, so it
Yeah.
is my pleasure to not grow facial hair.
You
right now.
you
Or to grow
earned it.
facial hair right now. So.
Yeah.
You can do whatever the fuck you want.
That's what everybody does. When I got out of the Marine Corps, it was like the first thing I did. I was like, hell
Grow
no, I'm
hair.
not shaving. I'm not shaving. That's right. I am not
You were
shaving.
talking about crazy X's earlier. I just want to say the worst thing to have is what became a crazy X that was crazy while I was deployed for 15 months. So that 15-month
Hold
deployment.
on. You're saying the worst is if she becomes crazy while you're gone. I think that sounds like a blessing. Then you don't have to
No,
deal with her and
no.
you're overseas while it's happening.
No, I made all the money of deployment, all the tax-free bonuses, a $30,000 tax-free reenlistment bonus, and came home with no money
Nothing.
in the bank and more debt than I had when I left. So
Hulk Hogan,
You-
we coming for you.
you do the
nigga.
math. You do the math on that one.
Damn.
I'm just glad I
Ouch.
wasn't in crypto.
Hence
at
the reason
time
why
because,
Army started trading, because he had to earn
Yeah,
back
yeah,
all of his
dig yourself
losses
out of
from
that
his
one,
crazy
boy.
X.
That boy was
Yeah.
looking for how to make money
My
from
God.
home commercials.
That's right. He's got to figure this
What's
out. 'cause
really
this woman
bad-
cleaned me out.
Did you, Piper?
What's
Did
really
you
bad-
create? You must have created BitConnect. There we go.
No, crypto wasn't around at the time, which I'm glad because she would have taken my seed phrases and wrecked me.
Oh.
But no, I wanted to take that $30,000 bonus and put it in palladium, which was about $218 an ounce at the time, and it's like now around 2,000 per ounce.
Wow.
Great now.
Yeah.
And that's when I
Palladium
realized
is
that I had no money in the bank. Was when I went to go do that and said, "Where's my $30,000 bonus I just got?" So yeah, it was bad. Gone.
Yeah, that is no fun. I want to shout out to everybody in here. First of all, thank you all for being here. You could be hanging out anywhere on a Monday, but you're hanging out with your boys from Crypto Wars. The show is Trading Wars. Every single week, 2 people are gone. One of them will get to be saved by the audience, so we will do that at the end of the show today. We'll see who gets saved, and that person that's saved will be going against your boy Crypto Crow on Thursday in a 1v1. So
I
we're
just
gonna
have to
find
make a
out today.
declaration.
Yes.
I don't come after me, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm not the number 1 person today. I'm only 2. Okay, I'm number 2. Alex O Crypto is number 1. Round of
You
applause.
know, if people are paying attention, they
You're
can be
number
very
one in my book.
strategic. They could be very strategic about how this, plays. But we shall see. We shall see.
Yeah, Evan's
right.
looking a little composed over. He's still a little too composed. Like we might dump another loss on him, another 2%.
Evan, he's talking about adding.
You
to,
can have
think-
twice in one day.
Hey, come on,
Evan
man! You
looks
can
too
take
Double dip,
composed.
double fisting.
You can't. You could do it twice in one day.
We did. You know what? We did say you couldn't hand it back, so we probably should make the deal that you can't hand the same person it again.
Yeah, that
right.
makes sense.
Right.
Yeah, no whipping boys allowed. No, that wouldn't
Yeah.
be cool.
Yeah.
I think that makes sense. I think that makes sense.
I think it does
okay.
too.
It is 2:38. We've got 2 minutes. Let me check in. AJ, are you positive or negative on your hot seat trade?
I'm down 20.
$20.
Yeah,
20%.
I left it.
You left it.
I got out because it kept going down, so I got out, and then it kept going down, so I got out. Correct.
Oh, so hold on. So you exited the trade and you
Yeah,
and you
I
were
lost
not-
20.
Lost 20.
Profit.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then Flobbing and Groping. How's it looking for you?
Mine's up. It's bouncing between 4 and 5% up.
Nice.
I might just close it soon, just to.
Well,
Get
you
off my
got
back.
you got a minute. You got 1 minute, 60 seconds officially right now to
We'll
close
let it
that
ride.
trade.
We'll go the full 60 seconds here and see
Oh,
what
yeah?
happens here.
All right, hey,
Yeah.
don't say I didn't tell
Pushing
you
it.
to close it, but hey, do your thing.
Give me a full 60-second countdown like you
Well,
did with
you
my
you
brother.
just had the 60 seconds. I'm gonna keep busting my balls.
And do it backwards.
You had the 60 seconds. Let me check on it. You have. I'm checking right now. You have 31 seconds.
30.
I'll give you a 20.
29.
I'll give you a 20.
Oh my
second-
god, it's dumping. It's
I'll
dumping,
give you a
guys.
20-second countdown.
This
give you
is
20 seconds.
We want to milk this as long as possible here.
20, 19, 18, 17,
53, 24, 18, 26.
Man,
15,
I should have stayed in some
14.
trades.
There we
man.
go.
13,
Come to
13,
pop.
Damn,
Come to pop.
Stan.
11,
Markets,
go.
man.
10,
I tell you,
42.
boy.
9, 8, 7,
Let's do the
6,
opposite.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and close.
Hey, hey, Keeper, the day I decided to play it safe, I could have been up 300 bucks today.
Mm.
Yeah.
But the good news is I doubt that you're going to be in the bottom 2 with how you traded today.
Yeah,
so far.
yeah,
That's what it looks
yeah,
like.
that's true.
So, you know,
the way you
wanna-
guys got it
That's
set up
every
is-
week.
is
I didn't
every-
really
every
realize
week.
that. Like,
Yeah.
I don't really realize
Here's
every
why
week.
we did it that
technically
way.
it's like a new week,
I
and
don't,
we're
I don't
doing
like
like
it, but hey.
Here's why
same-day
we did it that
knockout.
way, because listen, let me throw out an example, because we talked about this extensively.
Okay.
Army, for example, is a fantastic trader. He had a rough week last week, just once.
Yeah.
Should he pay for the? Let's say that he kills it the rest of the time, but
Hey,
all he's
I'm-
trying to
no,
do is
no,
play
that's
catch
how
up.
it is
play
in real
catch up,
life.
play
You
catch
know
up.
what I'm saying? But this is a game show, and so I'm glad. Oh, baby, let's go. Let's go.
Bitcoin's dropping,
Let's
dude.
go,
Bitcoin's dropping
Solana.
right now.
goes.
Woo!
Forever.
Hey, flopping and groping. Did you end
I
up
might
positive
be
on
at
that
the
trade?
bottom. I might be at the bottom of this show.
I broke even, bro. It was like with the fees. With the fees, it was a break-even trade.
You literally broke even. All right, who are you handing the 2% to?
Oh man. Oh man.
Oh, dude, Solana dropped. Oh man,
Let's give it to Jenna. She's too happy over there. We're in kindergarten. I just pulled Jenna's hair, guys.
All right,
Jenna.
now I gotta jump
We're
into
coming for you,
something.
nigga.
You
I
can
got
get me back
20
later.
minutes
You can get back
left.
at me later.
Oh my God.
This
All right.
MFer.
Oh,
there it is.
man.
There it is.
Now I gotta
I
jump into
flopped and then I
something.
groped.
Now you got to trade your heart out to avoid
And
what
I
that
got-
2% might do.
19 minutes.
Do we want updates so you guys, everybody knows where we're at? Do you want to do some updates?
Yeah,
real
I
quick?
want to
'Cause
know
I
because
just
I might
lost
be at the
the
bottom of the
bag,
damn
All
poll.
right, cool.
now.
Let me start at the top. So Jenna, tell me what your bag is at right now. You said you're
Blood's
not in a trade,
winning
right? Are
now.
you at 946?
I'm at $940. Now
You're
I
at
got-
940.
Yeah.
All right. And so that puts you actually at $921 and $921.20 is what you're at right now. And you started at 926. So you're going to be,
Wait.
down a fraction of a percent.
All right.
Alex,
I'm
what are you
down,
at?
man. I just
You-
lost 80, so I'm at 1064.
1064. So you're down for the day. Let's see, 30
No.
bucks. So
Oh, is he down for the day?
okay. He is down for the day. Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
man. I gave it back.
Blood.
Oh no.
Ripple,
Blood,
look
you're
at
up
Ripple.
100.
Yo,
Blood-
Ripple's like crashing. Holy shit.
Blood, you're up $100, 101 for the day.
101, yeah. I'm
Yeah, so that's
1031
it.
right now.
Yeah, so that's a 10. I mean, that's over a 10% win for today for you.
Mm-hmm.
So that's fantastic. Face
Damn,
is
we're under 40K. Goddamn.
Face
I'm
is
at
down about
889.
889. Oh, okay, so you're down literally hardly anything because
Yes,
you were at
sir.
902. Nick, what are you at right now?
I'm down pretty tremendous, bro. Like
Okay.
I'm at 900 now. I
that's not
closed,
that bad.
I closed all my trades. I'm actually out of the trades,
not
so
that
my
bad.
total is 900 right now.
Okay, so you're like 80.
You
yeah,
guys
so you're
weren't
down
short?
10-ish percent. Evan, what are you at?
I am at 1018.
1018.
Sheesh.
So you're at 998, Evan, and you started at 977. So you're still positive.
I'm
You're
still positive. Not
And
bad.
I'll double check this at the very end, but I just wanted to give an update. And then AJ, I see a shitty grin from AJ. AJ, how we feeling?
Yeah. I got liquidated.
No.
Oh, he's
But
on the
but
calendar.
luckily,
Weren't you short?
this wait. Luckily, this app won't let me put the whole trade in, so I still do have a whole $100 left. I still have a chip in a chair here, guys.
Round
Still
of
have a
applause.
chip in a chair.
Round of applause.
Wait, so I am not the biggest loser right now.
No.
Doesn't look like it. Army, what are you at?
688.72.
Jenna, Army would still be lower than you.
Army already went to
Yeah,
No,
but
no, no.
now I'm at
No, no, no.
928.
I'm talking about the hot seat. I'm talking about for the end of the show.
Oh. the end of the show. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I'm down like $12 for the show today.
Keep losing.
Wow, Jenna. Well, hey, next time I'm on the hot seat, because I will be. Guess
Well,
what
you got to be down more than that,
trade?
Army. You said you were at 798 to start.
Oh yeah. I'm
You're down about $100.
$112.
I
Yeah.
screwed myself.
Math, it's hard sometimes.
So it would be
I'm proud of
Army and
myself.
AJ right now as the bottom two right now. Army and AJ.
Sad, very sad.
Good.
And hold on a second though, AJ, you legitimately have $12 left in your account or something?
Oh no, I have 100. I have 100. I have $160. $100.60.
AJ, what the fuck?
What did you get screwed on?
Solana.
You long?
But you were short.
Solana.
Well, I was short, and then I was long, and then I was short.
See, what had happened was
I was revenge trading at 75.
Oh man, we've seen it before.
Hey,
man.
Hey, I just got a question for everyone on here with the sign of raising your hand or a voice from face. How many people got wrecked by Solana today?
Oh, I got wrecked by Solana.
Yeah,
my bags
Solana
got
was-
wrecked too. My real bags.
Oh, let's not even talk about that, AJ. This is my hour away from reality.
Wow, fuck Solana.
Yeah, Solana's been
I'm
super
doing
choppy,
on
dude.
my bags. I'm doing real well in those trades, man.
Did you decide to jump
Personal
back in,
bag.
Blood, or no?
No, I'm just saying because I trade automatically. I have my algo trade my personal account, so it's still in all those trades.
Okay,
so I'm looking good.
Nice.
But I
That's
gotta
worked
make
out
this
pretty well.
flight, fam.
All
I
right,
love you
bro.
guys.
AJ,
just
I'll
get
let
with
you
me.
know.
What up?
I'll have to let you know. You're obviously going to be one of the bottom two. I'll let you
Yeah,
know if the audience.
yeah.
I'll let you know if the audience saves you or not. I'll let you know.
It's all good. It's all good.
So,
But yeah, let me know.
I'll let
All
you know.
good. All right,
brother.
much love. Have a
All
good
right,
day,
AJ.
everybody.
Later, AJ.
Bye.
Love you, bro. Have a good day. Safe flight.
Later. Yep.
That is AJ Writes Crypto. If you guys aren't following AJ, make sure to check him out. He is always entertaining and always putting out good information. And he's a fantastic trader. And as a reminder to everybody, this is actively like we're making them trade under harsh circumstances other than they would normally do. And so just keep that in mind, guys, when we're watching. We're doing this for you, the people.
I am not entering anything else with 14 minutes. Like, I keep screwing myself. I'm done with Solana. I'm cutting that bitch off today. And I have had enough. So I just have to hope all y'all just do worse. That's it.
Sign up for LevX, guys. There's up to a 5K bonus. And no, you don't have to deposit a whole Bitcoin. They will match your deposit. You just got to do a little bit of trading. Nothing crazy at all. So make sure to check that out. Use our link in the description. You guys are trading for thousands of dollars are available just depending on how many people trade. So make sure to sign up for LevX actually I have it pinned in the link or in the chat and in our link down below, the description down below. So make sure to jump in. The top 3 traders are going to win some money. And then if you want to win some money outside of trading, Fridays is the time to do it. Flip or hodl. It's our game show. It's a mix between Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. $4,100 is on the line. So every dollar of a super chat you put in, put your name on a wheel. We'll double it up if you are a member. We'll triple it up if you gift a membership. So check that out, guys. There's actually not a lot of names on the wheel right now, Crusader. We must have a rich audience. That's what it is. They have too much money as it is. So
That's the problem, dude.
I'm not trying to win. I'm not trying to win any more money. I already got enough. That's what it is.
Hit that like button, ladies and gents.
I knew I wanted to enter a short before I went to bed last night, and I didn't. I wish I did.
What stopped you?
Falling asleep.
The pillow.
I woke up
pillow
with a
stopped me.
J and a K on my forehead.
Yeah. TRD Farmer says got to be present to win. I do want to throw out there TRD Farmer. Yeah, TRD Farmer's name got spun on that wheel and wasn't there. So TRD Farmer, we love you. We want to see you. We want to see you win. Hopefully next time. But it's the only way we could do it. I mean,
he's always in my Discord, man.
Yeah.
Love Farmer.
Yeah, you know what? It happened at such a weird timing that we didn't know if somebody tried to spin up a YouTube name real quick or something.
Yeah, man. Because we named them, we gave it a few minutes.
Yeah,
He
we
didn't
gave him
show up
time. Yeah.
again, and then he showed up after we spun it the second time. It's like, I don't know, that's the real you or
It's
not.
that frozen Canadian internet we got up here, you know. Sometimes, sometimes you're just sorry about it.
Yeah, you gotta get the lighter and heat up them pipes.
Hit up them pipes,
Yeah.
All those damn commies
Get
are
me
actually letting you
snowmobile
use
out
internet. That's
to the
fantastic.
tower out there with Justin Trudeau. He doesn't
Man,
want
we're
us using
commie as
them
hell.
fossil
America's
fuels.
commie as hell, bro. We ain't no capitalist shit no more.
No,
We're
we're not. Round of applause for that.
Yeah, moving the wrong direction. That's
At least you
Moving
guys
the wrong
sent trucks up
direction.
to Parliament. Oh
moving
man,
the wrong direction.
We've
that's for sure.
declined, but you just gotta look at your circumstances and put yourself in the best position.
That's what we gotta do. Round of
That's
applause
it.
for Evan.
That's right, Evan.
Evan's out
Evan Aldo, speaking facts, the trigger man himself.
there. Yes.
The trigger man himself.
Man, I thought I was gonna get an X on this show, man. I thought I was gonna be a loser.
Army Piper with a $50 Army. I swear you got to stop doing this. But thank you very much, Army. Says put the next people. Okay,
You
put the
can't
next
add
people
that
that
to
reply
your
with
account,
Piper
Piper.
Academy on the wheel.
Yeah,
So Piper Academy on the wheel. Let's see who the first people to do that is. Okay, so we got a number of them. How do you want me to disperse these, Army?
50 people. You haven't had any today. We got to make you work over there. Keeper.
Oh God. Okay. Good news. I've got live chat replay on, so I'll sit down and do it after the stream. So thank you very much, Army. Shout out to Piper Academy. If you guys aren't already subscribed to Army over at Piper Academy, make sure to check him out. They've done a lot of really good stuff and have had really good success on trades and helping people learn how to trade. So make sure to check him. Actually, I think Jenna, between Lifer and Army, that's been part of your guide to learning trading, right? Am I correct?
Well,
Yeah,
we just did a couple of sessions with her.
Yeah,
Jenna's
that's
a
cool.
good friend of the channel and a good friend of mine. She's my wingman because she's an Air Force vet, so us military people, we stick together. So she said, hey, I got this indicator. Can you help me out with it? And
I didn't know
said,
Jenna
"Of
was
course."
in the chair force. Thank you, Jenna, for your service. I did not know that. I did not
Welcome.
know.
That's what the nerds. I love
Just
it.
because she knew how to do 2 + 2 and you didn't, bro. Don't.
Listen, I got a 99 on my ASVAP, and my recruiter sold me on the idea that I was going to be like James Bond or something, and ultimately I ended up working with freaking computers. He lied to me. He totally scammed me, and I didn't end up doing what I wanted to do.
I'm
So,
terrified knowing that you were in the military working with computers.
terrified.
You were working with computers. in the military.
The reality is, hey, this will surprise you, Crusader. I was Cisco certified. True story.
Is that like the thong
True story.
song?
Cisco certified, bro. I know that.
Cisco certified, huh?
I'm telling you, but I may or may not have been doing mind and mood altering substances at the time, so I kind of forget a lot of what I learned.
Just forgot it. Just mind wipe.
Oh god!
You crazy devil dogs.
Is this the switch that listens to the Russians or the Chinese? I don't know. Just plug it in. Boom.
Just plug it. Yeah, we did it. We did an op called Bold Alligator where we had to set up internet on where we had to set up a network on like a 1960s or 1970s destroyer on the ship, and it was interesting. Yeah, for sure.
On a
I got
Navy
shot
ship?
at.
The Iwo Jima. The Iwo Jima.
I got
No wonder Weatherman's always talking about how those ships are not up to
Yeah,
par.
because Keeper ran the line for the
You're right.
network. That's right.
I see you struggling on putting a Twitter post together. I am terrified of you putting lines together
That's a
for a
good
Navy
point.
ship.
That's a really good
Hey,
point.
Keeper, were you in the Middle East at all in Iraq in
No.
2008?
Negative. I didn't get in until 11 or
Oh,
10.
okay.
No, 2009, 2010, 2010.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure because in 2008 I had a Marine shoot at me during an operation because he thought that we were with the terrorist group on a house that we were hitting. And yeah,
You got some
Yeah,
friendly
I'm just-
fire, huh?
Sounds
I had
very
to make
keeperish.
sure. I had to make sure it
Damn,
wasn't
blood.
anyone.
Gentlemen,
Man,
You know, I mean, you know.
damn.
I thought you were going to say there was a comms blackout or something. It's like, oh, there it is.
do you ever
No.
Keeper ran the
Piper,
keeper ran the
He's a
comms.
keeper.
you ever watch the Sean Ryan show?
No.
Oh my god, bro. Sean, man, I gotta put you on the Sean Ryan show. He's ex fucking Delta or whatever the fuck, CIA high op, and every week he has really good guys that he interviews, And so check out Sean Ryan show.
Yeah.
Guarantee
I'll
won't
check
let you
that out.
down.
Awesome. Appreciate that, man.
Sean
Yeah, actually, I found him from the Pompliano. Pompliano like interviewed him. This dude, this ex-CIA dude. And yeah, he has a channel. It's really good. Sean Ryan show.
Yeah, I have to check it out.
Hey, Face, let me ask you something. How
Share my
are
screen real
you?
quick,
How are
Keeper.
you? How are you publicly supporting Jamie Dimon?
Because half the shit, most of the shit everyone says is fucking stupid, and they twist a lot of words. And I read his books. I'm a big fan. I just because someone is against something or says something, I don't really care. I respect. The
No,
man
what
for
I'm
everything
asking
that
is
he's
like
done.
you
Just
heard
like
you.
I'm a fan of Peter Schiff. You know what
Me
I'm saying?
too. Round of applause. I like Peter Schiff.
You
Watch him
just,
every
but
day.
you just don't agree with his. You just don't agree with his investing thesis, as it were, for Bitcoin, is what you're saying.
Yes
you like,
and no.
You like,
yes
you
and
like
no.
the other.
I see certain sides. There's certain things like if
His Bitcoin narrative is
Satoshi
is
wallet
pure-
wants to dump on
pure
everyone,
dump.
it could wreck everyone. So that possibility is always there.
What, the
You know,
Genesis
can
wallet?
never
You
say
mean?
never. The Titanic was an unsinkable ship. It fucking sunk.
From my
Still kill a
understanding,
motherfucker
Genesis
to this
wallet
day.
can't move the Satoshis.
Say that again, Blood.
The Genesis wallet can't move the Satoshis.
Why
Well,
not?
you know, listen, I ain't here to argue any specifics. And
No, but I'm
bullshit.
saying, why not?
Why can't it?
Fucking dump some shit. Just saying. It's possible.
It's in the op code. I don't know. Like,
Oh.
so did you guys hear about the 1.5 million that was sent to Satoshi's wallet last week or 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah, that wallet. I don't know if there are other wallets, but that particular wallet, that Genesis wallet, can't move any coins.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
it's almost like a
it's
a
coded in
burn.
there.
It's almost like a
It's like
burn
the
wallet.
wallet before burn wallets were
Jeez.
created.
Yeah,
Interesting.
from what I understand. so.
That's good. I never knew about that.
Yeah, I
That's
didn't
very
either
good.
until maybe about a month ago.
I agree with this comment. It says Diamond as a company has to protect that deals in fiat. He's not going to kowtow to threats against the fiat monetary system. Sorry. So I agree with that. What I don't agree with is that he openly talks like negative about Bitcoin when he was in the background, when he's in the background loading his freaking bags.
You don't know that's him.
Whoa,
He's got
no,
other
I
people.
don't think that's true.
There's
What do you-
those
don't think
responsibilities are delegated amongst motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? He's not a
Yeah.
dictator, so he
Yeah,
can
he
say
got
and
a
think whatever
board, he has
wants, doesn't
to-
mean someone
yeah.
else below him isn't.
Yeah, as a CEO,
you know,
you have a
offering those
board. too.
products. They'd be fools not to be able to offer those products. That's how they make money off it, by meeting the customer while the customer is in the crypto journey.
And just like that, a trading competition has gone full circle back to debate crypto.
Right.
We're all sitting on our hands here.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything. Hope you guys
Well,
keep listening up.
nobody's about to. A couple people are about to not be sitting on their hands because it's that time. It's 2:58. We got 2 minutes left. I need to do a check-in. I need a final countdown on where we are at. So I'll start at the bottom with you. Now, when I say at the bottom, you're at the bottom of my list, Army. I'm not saying you're at the bottom. I'm saying you're at the bottom of the list. What is your number?
My number is $688.72.
688.72.
With the
okay.
with the celebration of balloons and confetti. There you go.
AJ had $100, so I got him. Yeah, AJ, hey Crusader, if you're going ahead and putting that poll together, AJ is definitely going to be on that poll. Just telling you now. Evan, what are you at?
1018 and 51 cents.
1018.
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Cipher.
I'm at 900.
Okay.
Not in any trades.
Face.
882.74.
Okay. Blood. 1031.
1031. 66.
Okay. Alex.
1064.
Okay. And Jenna.
921 minus my 2%.
921 minus your 2%.
Who gave that to me, by the way?
Oh, that was me. I think that makes me ahead of you now, Jenna. By
I am so coming for you.
let me take a peek here. I'm about to calculate here. So AJ is definitely there. And then
Blood, you won today, no?
I don't know.
Evan,
gotta see how their Dominion
Okay.
voting system works over here. At,
My Dominion voting system.
Crypto Wars.
We're gonna get.
They got mail-in ballots, y'all. They got mail-in ballots.
Damn.
Watch it, guys. We're gonna have the axe. This channel is gonna get.
That's
Yeah.
right.
I'm going to buy YouTube like subscribers right now.com.
You have mules. What was that movie? Like 37 mules or something.
So it's Army and AJ are the bottom two. Crusader. Army and AJ are the bottom two. So
Hey, brother.
we're gonna put a poll out
Slithered on by.
for everyone in the chat. Stick around. Now listen, we're putting a poll into the chat. Crusader, how long are we gonna give them to vote on this?
Well, I mean, you can give them as much time as they want. However much time you want to talk some crap on here.
Well, we need to give them an amount of time.
Let's
so
put
that
Piper in the game.
all right. So
Let's say 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. We're
minutes.
gonna put a poll out. We got 5 minutes to either vote to save Army or to save AJ. And the person that you save that wins this poll is going to go Thursday 1v1 versus Crypto Crow in the redemption bracket. So either Army or AJ is going to be against Crow on Thursday. And drum roll, please. Who has immunity for next week? The man who's been talking more shit than anybody on the stream. Crypto Blood. My Dominion voting system calculated your mail-in ballots
you.
took you to a W. Took you to a W. Congrats, Blood, for sure.
No,
Congrats.
ID. All my votes are real. You know what I'm saying?
Congrats.
Thank you.
Blood, you ended up at 1031. You started at 930, so up $101 on a $930 start. So fantastic, dude. I think that's about a 13% win there. So fantastic.
Just need some volatility, man.
At a time works
Keeper.
better than 5.
Yes, sir.
I gotta hop off
Right,
here,
Alex.
bro. I have a VA appointment in 29 minutes. So
All right. Army,
All
thank you
right,
very
Piper.
much. We'll let you know. I'll shoot you a text and let you know whether your people save you or whether they save
In the lead right
AJ.
now.
Save
So-
Army.
Right now.
Save
Hashtag.
Army.
All right, bro.
Peace out.
all right, thanks,
See you,
guys.
Army. Have a good one, bro.
Later, bro.
Thanks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you saw it here first. We had
Army's
a great
in the lead so far.
Army's in the lead right now. What's the numbers looking like? What did it look like?
62% for Piper. I don't know what the
Oh,
number
I see
of
it right
those-
here. I see it right here.
I should have
62%.
quit while I was ahead today, man.
Same.
I
Well-
should have kept going, Alex.
I-
It
yeah,
goes both
actually,
ways.
that happened to me.
Yeah.
I jumped out of my short too early
Because
for Solana, and Solana dropped
Exactly.
Yeah.
massive.
yeah,
The
One of those days.
I wonder so is
even
Bitcoin gonna start-
Evan with the rollover on the BTC trade, that was sick.
Well, I want to know, is Bitcoin going to start using 40K right now as resistance? Is that what we're thinking, or are we going to?
We filled the
Pretty quickly
CME
get down
gap
to
on
30.
Bitcoin right now, so I
30.
think that's pretty much like
Did we? Wasn't it down at 38?
it got to
Oh, it's only
39.
no, it's been filled now.
For real? Oh, I thought it was.
been
I thought it was deeper than that. I thought it
Okay.
was interesting.
All I
Yeah,
know,
what
I'm glad
happened?
I called. I sold all. I went to 70% cash on the 4th of July, man, before the ETF.
4th of July.
I mean, not July, January.
Oh,
Went cash.
man, I was way
Went
ahead of
cash.
myself.
Damn, homie's been all cash for a while now.
Yeah, no.
You went 4th. You said on 4th of January.
Yeah,
you went
yeah.
cash?
I just thought, I was telling everyone, like, look, the upside potential, risk reward just wasn't there. You know, maybe we get another 10% pop on the news, but
Mhm.
I thought it was going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event anyway. So, and that's what it's playing
Dude,
out.
we
to
just
be.
need Grayscale stops dumping.
Grace
all
goes
we
down.
need.
Yeah, that's probably it too. Yeah.
We got
Yeah.
2 more minutes left. Chat, if you want to see AJ Writes Crypto or you want to see Army Piper, please vote and vote now. One of those two is going to go into the redemption bracket on Thursday versus Crow.
It's pretty close, 57.
I know, I see that. It looks like it's pretty close. So make sure that you vote. If you haven't already, vote for Army Piper or vote for AJ Writes Crypto, whoever you want to see back on Thursday to try to make their way through the redemption bracket. Just to be clear, those 1v1s, someone will make their way through the 1v1s and will team up at the end. There will be 3 people on the final show. There will be the 2 people that make it from here from the Monday shows, and then there will be one that makes it through the redemption bracket. That'll be the final 3 for the title. So, and if you guys want to trade, make sure to use our link. They are giving there's a $5,000
in bonuses.
There's a $5,000 bonus, and I always say this because I used to look at the offers and be like, yeah, they're offering me $5K if I deposit $500,000. Like, no, they're offering $5K. Literally, they're going to match you up to $5K as long as I think you do 3 or 4 times your trading volume. It's not a big number. So just throwing that out there, guys. It is available for you, up for grabs, and the top 3 audience members in the competition are going to win money. So make sure that you guys trade.
Yeah, dude, I've been trading with $1,000 on Levex, and I think I've got like over 50K in trading volume in like a couple of trades.
Yeah,
and
it doesn't take long.
One trade, 50x.
Yeah, exactly. No, right. Yeah, one trade.
Well, with a tight stop loss.
Yeah.
The whole bag. Yeah. All right. So we have 5 minutes is up. So what is the results, Crusader? Pull them.
Closing it right now.
Pull them.
Piper.
Looks like it's Piper.
Looks like it's Army Piper. Shout out to Army Piper, Piper Academy gang, saving Army Piper. Army Piper will be going against the one and only Crypto Crow on Thursday. So Thursday at 1:30, Crypto fam. If you guys aren't already watching the show daily, we're Monday through Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thursday will be Trading Wars. Those two will be 1v1. Shout out to Crypto Blood for the big dub on the win today. Blood, you've got the floor. What you got going on, bro? What you want to tell the people you got going on?
Check out Bloodalytics. That's what I'm using with my trades. Bloodalytics.com. Been great time, bro. I love this format. You guys are doing it, and keep it up, man. I really appreciate you guys coming up with a creative way of doing some crypto content. So definitely shout out Alex, FG, Face, Evan, Jenna, and everyone else who dropped off, man. Go follow them as well.
Everybody. We appreciate everybody for being here. So shout out. Blood has immunity next week. And
let's go.
Jenna has survived. Evan has survived. Flopping a Groper has survived. Crypto Face has survived. Alex O has survived. So next week, there is going to be 6 on here, right, Crusader? Yeah, there will be 6 people. So another 2 bite the dust. AJ is officially Dunzo, and Army is going to be going through the redemption bracket. What'd you say, Crusader?
Flop and Groper.
What was that, Jenna? Oh, man.
Coming for Flop and Groper.
Please
That's
do.
right. You handed that 2% off. Don't think that won't come back to you. That's right.
I know.
That's right.
I'm ready.
That's right. All right, Crypto fam. We love you guys. We appreciate each and every one of you for being here. As a reminder, smash that like if you haven't already. Show up Thursday for the 1v1s. Show up next week, obviously, every Monday. And every other day, Monday through Friday, we are here. If you want to see us give away $4,100, make sure that you're here on Friday. Toss in those super chats. We love you guys. We appreciate each and every one of you. Traders, thank you guys. You guys killed it today. Congrats. Question everything.
Trust nothing.
Keeper.
And until next time, hodl.
Like it.
We will see you soon. Thank you guys. We love you guys.
Bye.